Do you often feel excited to learn something new, but within a few days your motivation fizzles out? Or maybe you've tried to set a learning routine, only to feel overwhelmed or stuck? Here's the truth. Effective self-learning isn't about how much you study in a day. It's about consistency, mindset, and strategy. In today's video, we're diving deep into how you can create a personalized self-learning routine that actually works. We'll cover practical steps, common mistakes, and tips to stay motivated long-term. So grab a notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear blueprint to build your own learning system. Let's begin by understanding why routines are so powerful. When you have a set routine, you're training your brain to recognize patterns. For example, brushing your teeth every morning doesn't feel like a chore anymore. It's automatic. Now imagine applying that same principle to self-learning. When you follow a routine consistently, your brain starts associating specific times or actions with learning. This reduces resistance and builds a habit of focus. Studies show that routines can boost productivity, improve memory retention, and even reduce stress by providing structure to your day. Step 1 is defining your goals. But here's the key. Don't just say, "I want to learn Spanish," or "I want to get better at coding." Be specific and break it down into manageable chunks. For example, instead of saying, "Learn Spanish," say, "Memorize 20 new vocabulary words this week," or "Practice speaking for 15 minutes daily." When your goals are specific and measurable, they feel more achievable. You can even use the SMART method: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This clarity gives your routine a sense of purpose. And don't forget to prioritize. Focus on 1 or 2 skills at a time instead of trying to do it all at once. The next step is designing a schedule that fits into your lifestyle. Take a look at your daily routine and find windows of time when you're naturally more productive. Are you an early bird who feels most focused in the morning, or does your creativity peak at night? Start by setting aside 20 to 30 minutes daily for focused learning. Even if it seems like a small amount of time, consistency is what matters. And remember to balance it with breaks. The Pomodoro technique is a great tool for this. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. These short breaks help refresh your mind and prevent burnout. Pro tip: if you're working on multiple skills, assign different time slots or days for each skill. This keeps things organized and ensures you don't feel overwhelmed. Now that you've set your schedule, it's time to create a distraction-free learning environment. Find a quiet spot where you can focus and make sure it's comfortable but not too cozy. You don't want to fall asleep halfway through. Remove distractions before you start. Turn off phone notifications, close unnecessary tabs on your laptop, and let others know not to disturb you. A clutter-free space can also boost concentration, so take a minute to tidy up before you begin. Don't forget to gather your materials in advance, whether it's a textbook, your laptop, or a set of flashcards. Having everything ready means you can jump straight into learning without wasting time. Finally, let's talk about staying motivated. Remember, learning is a journey, not a sprint. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Whether it's finishing a chapter or mastering a new skill, take time to acknowledge your effort. To recap, here's your blueprint for creating a self-learning routine. Define clear and specific goals. Build a schedule that fits your life. Eliminate distractions and create a focused environment. Remember, it's okay to adjust your routine as you go. Flexibility is key to long-term success. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more self-learning tips. Let us know in the comments. What's one change you'll make to your routine today?